Okay, guys, and now we're going to look at how to scan something on your Canon Pixma TR4522 or similar model. You're just going to raise up the lid for the scanner. You're going to take the item that you want to scan, and you're going to put it face down on the cover, right on the glass, and then push forward to line it up over here with this edge. We don't want any glass showing over there. There should be some glass showing back here. That's fine. You're going to close your lid, and then from the Canon Inkjet Smart Connect, you're going to hit the scan button. Now it's going to give you two things there, but do you want to scan it as a document or a photo? Well, I mean, we're going to scan it as a document just because it's a piece of paper. It's not a photo. How to scan? You select one. It doesn't matter, I don't think. Of course, we're going to be scanning a letter. And then resolution, well, we don't really have very good resolution options here, okay? But as far as for scanning a document, whatever, we're just going to go with the highest resolution that we can. And then you're going to hit the button of scan. And then you wait while it loads. There we go. She's done scanning finally. Alrighty. So as you can see, it scanned it nice and pretty here. Nice big on my screen. Now we can save it. Save it and then name the file that you want to save it to. Just like you would anything else. Image correction, rotate and ROP, just in case you had it put on the wrong direction. We're going to assume that's more advanced stuff to where, someone that's more into photo editing and stuff. We're not going to do that though. But let's say you have another document that you want to scan. Well, you're going to lift your lid up. You're going to take the image off that you just scanned. And you're going to put another one down. And maybe you want to scan another one just to add to it. You're going to follow the same steps. Face down, top of the page, over towards your buttons, and slide it over right there at the edge of the glass. Lid down. And then you're going to come over here and hit the plus button. And you're going to have the same options over here. We're just going to keep it the same. And then you hit the scan button again. And you wait. And bada bing, bada boom. It added the second image to it. So now I got page 1. Page 2. Okay. Now if I want to add more pages, you just add another sheet to the scanner, and then hit your plus button again. You can do that for as many pages as you want, but anyway, that's just we'll go ahead and save, and it'll pop up where we want to save it at, and then we're just gonna say we're just gonna save it as views. That way, yay. Of course, whatever your document you're scanning, just save it as what you want to scan. Anyway, I'll say scan results have been saved to the following folders, and write exactly where I said. I'm on the desktop and the name, and it saved it as a PDF. Of which, if you want to save it as a JPEG or a PNG, you could do that as well. But for all my purposes, it's just as good to be as a PDF for this. So now you know how to scan a document on your Canon Pixma TR4522 or similar model. And have a wonderful day with that.